Embark on a delightful journey into the world of homemade goodness with our banana bread recipe. This classic treat is a celebration of ripe bananas and comforting flavors, promising a slice of warmth and nostalgia in every bite. To begin this culinary escapade, gather your ingredients: ripe bananas, flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. These simple yet wholesome elements come together to create a symphony of flavors that will fill your kitchen with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked goodness. Start by mashing the ripe bananas, infusing your batter with natural sweetness and a hint of tropical charm. Combine this with flour, sugar, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The result? A harmonious blend that captures the essence of home-baked perfection. As you mix and fold the ingredients, envision the magic happening, the transformation of basic elements into a batter that promises to be the soul of your banana bread. Pour this concoction into a prepared loaf pan, allowing the anticipation to build as the aroma of baking bananas permeates your kitchen. As the banana bread bakes to golden perfection, the air is filled with a symphony of scents that herald the impending delight. The sweet fragrance of ripe bananas mingles with the comforting aroma of freshly baked bread, creating a sensory experience that transcends the boundaries of your kitchen. Once the banana bread emerges from the oven, let it cool for a while before slicing into its tender embrace. Each slice is a testament to the simplicity and joy found in homemade treats. The moist crumb, the sweet banana essence, and the subtle undertones of vanilla come together to create a sensory journey that resonates with the essence of home. Our banana bread recipe isn't just about baking, it's about creating moments of warmth and connection. Share a slice with loved ones, savor the simplicity of a homemade delight, and let the sweet memories unfold with every bite.